So welcome back, and in this video we will be collaborating with
King of Decks.
He's an awesome guy who teaches card tricks and slides. So make sure to subscribe him. You can click right over here, or else you can click in the link in the description for his channel. So let's start the video. In this video I will be giving the tutorial and the performance will be given by
King of Deck.
Make sure to check the performance on his channel. The link is in the description, and you can also click right over here to watch the performance. So let's start the trick. First, you need to ask a spectator to call out stop as you dribble through the cards is completely free choice.
Stop!
Right over here?
Yeah.
Now you need to split the packets in two and ask a spectator to choose one.
This one!
For instance, he chooses this one. Now you need to ask a spectator to think of number between 1 to 10. As they are thinking, you need to prepare for a double lift. There are many ways of doing a double lift. In this I am just using a pinky count. Okay. Then for instance, the spectator thinks of number
5.
Okay, 5. So you don't have any idea what they are thinking. It's completely impromptu. Now you need to tell a spectator to remember the card that comes at their number. For instance, they were thinking of 5th number. They have to remember the 5th card. Now what you need to do, deal this double as 1 and keep dealing the rest of the 9 cards. Then you need to square up this packet and place it at the top. Now you need to take the second pile and just spread it, and the spectator will have to pick one card. This one. And now you need to outjoke it and tell a spectator you don't have to look at it.
Okay.
Then just square up the pile just like this and keep this card outjoked. Now take the second pile the spectator has chosen earlier. Now you need to ask a spectator that what the number that they were thinking of.
5.
Now you need to just simply have to deal 5 cards. And the spectator will think that their card has disappeared. Now as they are confused, you need to prepare for another double lift. For instance, I am using none of them. I am just simply counting 2 cards and creating a break. Then you need to deal this double aside, not on the top of this packet. Side. And keep dealing the cards, and you can tell them that your card has disappeared from the deck. Now what you need to do, you need to control the selection at the top of the pile. How you can do this, just simply take this pile, keep it right over here, and take the rest of the cards and keep it right over here. What they did, control their card at the top of the pile. Then you need to do an overhand shuffle. So what they did, control their card at the bottom. Now you need to simply create a break under the bottom card and hold it with your thumb just like this. Now you have to tell your spectator that your card is completely disappeared, and I have at the first I remember you to take out one card, point at this card. Now as you are picking up this pile, you need to drop this card just like this fastly. Then you can create this pile just like this, spread it face up, and then what you need to do, you need to do a little bit of illusion work. You can do anything. You can do a top change. For in this case, what he did in the performance is that he just pushes this card in the middle, and at the same time he takes this card from the top. In fast it will look like this, and what it does, it creates the illusion that you are taking the strip out card, and this card will be the spectator selection. So guys, you can tell a spectator that your card selection has teleported from this pile to that pile in front of their eyes, and you can get the reaction like wow, awesome,
Bravo! Bullseye!
yes, just like this. So guys, this was for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to his channel. Till then, I will see you in the next video.
Peace out!